Welcome back to the Mortgage and Marketing Update. I'm Brian DeMarie. I'm a loan originator with Union Home Mortgage and the DeMarie Lending Team. Hope you're not taking yourselves quite too seriously out there on a beautiful Tuesday. Let's talk about some wage growth. The media is going to definitely focus on how this is contributing to inflation, and it is in a way, but it's also offsetting the affordability in the marketplace and let's talk about that. So in December, the wages are up 0.3%, but that's for all jobs. If we look at just the private sector, it's up 0.8%. And if we take the last 6 months, which is really more reflective of this environment, and we annualize it, it's actually up 10%. And so this can be a really important thing when we start to talk about affordability, because the thing that the media is going to focus the most on is that there is this really big price jump, this 20% appreciation over the last year. And what they're going to say is that our wages are not keeping up with that growth, and that the market has now become unaffordable. But what they're missing, and the big punchline is that you and I know as smart real estate folks, is that when a person uses a mortgage to purchase their home, they're really only using about 25 to 35% of their income to go toward that mortgage payment. So when a buyer has a 10% increase in their income, it can go a long way to keep up with any of the appreciation in the marketplace. So, we have to focus on jobs on this video because it's one of the most important parts of a mortgage file. When a person comes and applies with us, one of the first questions we ask is, what do you do? Where do you work? How do you receive your income? Is it base pay? Is it a salary? Is it, commission? And all of that is a big deal as far as how we calculate their debt to income ratio. And so, in the first 2 months of the pandemic, when we have 25.5 million Americans who lose their job, that means we have all these folks that are not going to be able to buy a house for a little while. But as of right now, as of December 2021, 89% of those folks have been hired back. And now they're going to have an opportunity coming up very soon to be able to qualify for a mortgage or a refinance or a cash out refinance. And at this point, we've got 26% of the country have free and clear homes. And that means that's 33.3 million out of the 126.9 million households in America. And that means a really big opportunity for them to either improve their home or to cash out some of that equity and then buy a second home or an investment property through you. So as we don't know what the interest rates are going to be doing in the near future, people are predicting that they are going to be increasing. Now is really the time to seize on that equity. Lily and I would love to be part of your real estate business. If you ever run into anybody that you think would benefit from a conversation with us, we would love to talk to them. Easiest way to send us over their contact information is a quick text message or a 3-way text message introducing us to the buyer that way. We'll get in touch with them, get them pre-approved as quickly as possible so you can get them shopping. I'll be doing a class today called Mortgage Basics. It happens virtually at 10 a.m. It's going to go over all the basics of what a mortgage file is. And it's really geared toward newly licensed agents. But if you're experienced and want a little brush up, feel free to drop in. It's everything you need to know about mortgages in 60 minutes. All our videos and classes are backed up on YouTube. Check us out on Instagram. Have a great day.